Around 2500 years ago, we all know that there were great kingdoms in North India, known as Mahajanapadas. These people fought with each other until someone amongst them rose to be a superpower. Now, the superpower is none other than the Magadha. It had been the superpower for many centuries. Magadha was ruled by many dynasties. The dynasties were the Haryanka, the Shishunag, the Nanda, the Maurya, the Shunga, so on and so forth. So first, let us start with the Haryanka dynasty, which was from 544 BCE to 492 BCE. The first king of Haryanka dynasty was Bimbisara. So now let us know few things about Bimbisara. He conquered Avanti and established the capital in Rajgriha. He lived in the age of Buddha. And there is something else interesting about him. Matrimonial alliance. Yes, we know and we even came across many kings who expanded their territory by means of wars and battles. But he is the king who used matrimonial alliance to expand his territory. It is believed that he had 500 wives. And later, his son Ajatashatru came into picture, who assassinated his own father for the sake of throne or kingdom. Now, let us know about Ajatashatru. Ajatashatru ruled the kingdom from 492 BC to 460 BC. He defeated Kosala. He had success over Vajis too. After Ajatashatru, none were strong as him. The dynasty started weakening. Shishunag, one of the ministers of Haryanka dynasty, took over the throne and established Shishunag dynasty. The 10th and the last king of Shishunag dynasty, the Mahanandan, had a son named Mahapadmananda with a Shudra woman. Mahapadmananda killed his father and took over the throne, and with him the Nanda dynasty started. To our surprise, Mahapadmananda was not Kshatriya and doesn't even belong to any other upper caste. This new emperor was a Shudra, the lowest in the caste system. Puranas describe him as Sarvakshatrantaka, which means the destroyer of all Kshatriyas. He had a huge army, largest in India at that time. It expanded a lot and took major part of total North India. Nanda kingdom met defeat when the last ruler, Dhanananda, lost the battle. We will look into it in the upcoming video about how Nanda kingdom weakened and lost its battle.